Maharashtra has a long history of coalition politics. For the past 34 years, no party has won enough seats to form a government on its own. This began in 1995 and is expected to continue even after the assembly elections. The two main alliances, Mahayuti and Mahavikas Aghadi, are battling to form the next government. In this video, we'll explain why coalition politics is a fixture in Maharashtra's political system and how regional parties are crucial in shaping the state's future. Since 1995, Maharashtra has been ruled by coalition governments. No party has won enough seats to govern alone. The Shiv Sena and BJP first teamed up in 1995, and since then, alliances have been the norm. This shift away from one party rule was also marked by the rise of regional parties, especially the NCP, which have made it hard for national parties like Congress or BJP to form a government by themselves. Regional parties like Shiv Sena and NCP are key players in Maharashtra politics. As these parties grow stronger, they make it difficult for larger parties like BJP or Congress to win on their own. Without the support of these regional players, no government can be formed. For example, Prakash Ambedkar of the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi has pointed out that regional parties are now essential for any coalition. This year, voter turnout in Maharashtra has been the highest since 1995. Both alliances are hopeful that this will help them, but it also makes predicting the outcome harder. Devendra Fadnavis of the BJP believes this shows people support the current government, while Congress feels it signals a win for the MVA. Maharashtra's political landscape has changed a lot since the 1960s. For decades, Congress ruled the state, but in 1995, the Shiv Sena and BJP broke the dominance of Congress by forming a coalition government. Over the years, other parties like NCP joined in, further fragmenting the political scene. In 2019, Shiv Sena broke away from BJP to join Congress and NCP in the MVA. But that government fell in 2022 when BJP formed a new alliance with Shiv Sena's Eknath Shinde. The NCP split in 2023, adding more complexity to the situation. Looking ahead, it seems unlikely that any single party will win enough seats to form a government on its own. Coalition politics is the only way forward for Maharashtra as regional parties continue to play a big role.